Welcome animation enthusiasts and aspiring animators. The Group 4 animation tutorial video is here to help you learn more about the craft of animation. This video is created by a team of passionate animators sharing their knowledge and experience in animating. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced animator, this tutorial is designed to be informative, engaging, and helpful. So join us on this exciting journey as we explore the fascinating world of animation. We hope you enjoy the tutorial and learn something new along the way. The animation process involves creating a series of images or drawings that, when played in sequence, give the illusion of movement. To get started with the Flipaclip application, viewers will need to download and install the app, create a new project, and set up their workspace with the necessary tools and features. From there, viewers can begin creating frames, adding sound effects and music, and exporting their finished animation. Troubleshooting and advanced techniques may also be necessary for more complex projects. Now, let us explore the tools present in the user interface. Eraser. Eraser can help you create a shadowy effect or simply erase. Selection tool. In the selection tool, you can select things to make slight adjustments like inverting or flipping, copying and adjusting its size. Bucket fill. Bucket fill can be used to color the background simply by clicking a blank space. It has many different color sets, which is convenient and has a lot of options. Text. You can add text to your animation. This way, you can use this when the character speaks to give it a subtitle. Music. You can add music to make your animations feel alive, real, engaging, and of course fun to watch. Ruler. In Ruler, you can make perfectly straight lines, circles, or squares. Finally, Onion. Onion lets you see your previous frame so that you have references and make it align with your previous animation. Open the Flipaclip app and click on the plus icon to create a new project. Choose your canvas size by clicking on the canvas icon located at the bottom of the screen. You can select from various preset sizes or create a custom size by entering your desired dimensions. Next, set up your layers by clicking on the layers icon. You can create a new layer by clicking on the plus icon or delete a layer by swiping left on the layer name and clicking delete. To choose your color palette, click on the color icon. You can select from pre-made palettes or create your own custom palette by selecting the plus icon and choosing your desired colors. Once you have set up your canvas size, layers, and color palette, you can start drawing your first frame by selecting the frame one tab at the bottom of the screen and using the drawing tools. To create a new frame, tap on the new frame icon located at the bottom of the screen. You can also tap and hold the frame to duplicate or delete it. To enable onion skinning, tap on the onion skin icon located on the top right-hand corner of the screen. This will allow you to see the previous and next frames as a reference while drawing the current frame. To adjust the timing of each frame, tap on the timeline icon located at the bottom of the screen. Here, you can see all the frames in your animation and adjust their timing by dragging them left or right. Delete frames by tapping on the plus or minus icons respectively. To add an audio, tap on the timeline at the bottom of the screen to bring up the timeline editor. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the timeline editor to add a new audio layer. Select the audio layer and tap on the plus icon again to add a new sound effect. Choose a sound effect from the library or import your own by tapping on the import button. Adjust the timing of the sound effect by dragging it along the timeline. Tap on the sound effect to bring up the options menu. Adjust the volume, fade in or out, and duration of the sound effect as desired. Once you're done animating, tap the export button located at the top right corner of the app. You'll be presented with the export options. Choose the resolution and frame rate you want for your animation. Next, choose the location where you want to save your animation. You can choose to save it on your device or to a cloud storage service. Tap on the export button to start exporting your animation. Wait for the export process to finish. The duration of the export process will depend on the length and complexity of your animation. Once the export is done, you can view your exported animation by going to the location where you saved it. If you want to share your animation, you can do so by sharing the file directly from the app or by uploading it to a social media platform. Some users will experience issues in the Flipaclip software, rendering their work in the most unpleasant way. But we have come up with several solutions, and we are here to help you fix these common faults. The basic fundamentals and advanced techniques in animating includes: Number 1, slow in and slow out. The slow in and slow out animation is a technique that is used to bring more control and natural feel to the movement of an animated object or character. The slow in and slow out animation involves gradually increasing or decreasing the speed of an object or character's movement. This creates a more fluid and realistic animation, as it mimics the way that objects move in the real world. Number 2, exaggeration. This principle includes every action, pose, and facial expression can be taken to the next level to increase the amount of impact on the viewer. Number 3, straight ahead. This principle is used to fluidly animate an object person. Number 4, anticipation. This is when a character prepares for an action to give the audience a clue as to what happens next. Number 5, squash and stretch. The principle that animated objects will get longer or flatter to emphasize their speed, momentum, weight, and mass. As we come to the end of this tutorial, we hope you have learned a lot about the art of animation and that it has inspired you to create your own unique animations. Remember, no matter where you are in your animation journey, never stop learning and practicing. Keep experimenting with new techniques and pushing your creativity to new heights. With hard work and dedication, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. We can't wait to see what amazing animations you create in the future. Farewell and happy animating.